Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lady Lori. Anyhow, let's get going on this. You guys, guess what I have? Yes, this is my paper box. Yes. Did you see? Yes, because mine is personalized. This is the grand box. The price for how much this box is, it does come monthly. It's going to be right down here on the bottom of the screen. My deepest apologies. I did forget how much this box is every month. So you get an email before they're going to send it, so you know it's coming. And it's kind of like you get little spoilers at the same time, which I love. Okay. It says, happy to see you, Lady Lori. Look at this, how cute. See, these guys, they know what they're doing. She knows what she's doing. Okay, so we have for the month of March, this is the Lucky Clover push pins, and there's a set of 20. They're little clover. They're little clovers. They're cute. I don't have anything that's corkboard in here. I wish I did, but I don't. That's okay. And man, do I really want to keep, I was going to say, I really want to keep this sticker. But you know, it is what it is, right? It's going to tear off. Inside your nice little box here, I have all kinds of personalized stationery that does have my name on it the way I asked them to put it. Now, it doesn't have my full channel name, which I did want, Lady Lori Beauty Over 50. However, when I started thinking about it, I'm known by Lady Lori all the different social media platforms. So when I came upon, and I just said, hey, put Lady Lori, just let's make it simple. Okay, do you remember over here I had a calendar? Okay, I took it down. Every month you get a new one. Happy days ahead. And then here's the calendar for March. So all I did was put a really light sticker that just peels off easy at the end. And I will stick that right here. Even though I use a planner, I'm a calendar junkie as well. So we have a lot of calendars around the house. We have a lot of calendars. And then there's a little notepad, my happy place, with my name on the bottom. I love the little flowers because it's also, I think Earth Day is in March, if I'm not mistaken. There's an caregiver, employee, multiple personnel. Ooh, geez, guess what? On the 5th was Multiple Personality Day. Well, you know what? That was all of us. Seriously, that was me, sassy, smart cookie, lazy ass, and dumbass, all 5 of us. Multiple Personality Day. We missed that one. Okay, so today is basically Working Women's Day, and it's Proofreading Day. Get Over It Days tomorrow. And then there's a whole bunch of, but I could have sworn there was Earth Day was coming up, or it might be next month. Looks like it might be next month. And then there was one that was really cool on the 26th of March this month. Make up your own holiday day. You guys tell me what to do on make up your own holiday day, and I'll put a giveaway together. Yes, I will, with the best one. I'm going to read them all. I'm not just going to do a random comment picker thing. I'm going to read them. And the one that really catches my eye doesn't mean that all the rest of them were, no, it just means that there's one that just kind of did that. That's it. You know how something like that happens? Everybody else's were fantastic. They're all going to be fantastic, but I want you guys to make me up a holiday for March 26th. And I'm going to put you together a little bundle. And that little bundle is not going to necessarily be like a little giveaway. I am giving you away something. You can still enter another giveaway the next day, even if you are chosen for this one. Okay? These are, like Dana. Dana, I'm not going to say anything. Yes, I did send her a packet. It was just a little thank you for, she was one of the 6 that picked my Battle of the Boxes, you guys. None of you did. All right, happiness is a rainbow away. Look at how cute. And then my name down at the bottom, you guys. Because everything is personalized. Then we have another notepad with Sunday through Saturday. It has happy days ahead. This is a pretty decent sized notepad. See it, all the days. And then guess what's down there? That's right. There's my name under Saturday. So I can schedule things. I can put notes. These are kind of, yeah, I know. Just some of you guys are going, oh, yeah, those right there. Okay. Obviously, you do get this catalog that comes with it. It is, I don't know, what, 120 pages? Just kidding. But it talks about what's inside, how to plan the perfect tea party. Awkward moments we can all relate to. Those were pretty funny. I did read some. How to create your own special day. You guys, come on, create my own special day. Will you seriously just, entertain me in the comment section down below? Here's Lori's day, March 26th. No, and don't say Lady Lori Day because I'm going to just pass right over that one. There's all kinds of stuff in here. This thing's filled with stuff. And then they gave us a little sticker. It says, you make the world a happier place. Big old world sticker. This does not help Sassy when she says she wants a globe. This is not the same. And then there is put a sticker on it. And there's several sheets of these. No, these are not personalized. I do not see Lady Lori on any of these. Now that would be cool. But that would have been cool. But no, that did not happen. Okay. And then we get a card. It's a postcard. And I believe there's 2 of them in there. You make me happy with a rainbow. And then obviously on the back it says, sent from Lady Lori. The person that makes up that day is going to get one of these. So that's how you'll know you're the winner. You'll be like, what the hell did I just get? It'll say, congratulations. Oh, never mind, because this one says happy birthday. Oh, but you know what? I can do this. You make me happy. So no matter what, look, it's going to say from Lady Lori. This one says happy birthday. So somebody's birthday is going to get this. A birthday is the first day of another day journey, a journey around the sun. Enjoy the trip. You know what? Somebody might not get a card. Somebody might get a postcard. You guys, I have been really, really enjoying the emails and DMs in my Instagram of, sending me your address, letting me know just your month. That's fine. If you want to include what day it is, that's fine as well. But letting me know the month, your birthday month, and then sending me your address. And keep it coming. Please keep it coming. My email is down below in the description box. My Instagram handle is down below in the description box. So DM me. Everything is private. Don't worry, these numbers are not going, or these names and addresses are not going out anywhere except for from me to you in a birthday card. Personalized by me. It's pretty special. So if you're not used to getting birthday cards anymore because everybody just texts happy birthday with a surprise and a birthday cake and a couple emojis and then they go, love ya. That's it. Really? Okay. Love you back. No, I like to write little things, thank you. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to write. Anyway, one more thing. You get one card. And this one says happy instead of earth. It says birthday. It's pretty cool, right? They do. They come up with these little clever things. This one's empty. So it's blank, I mean. That's everything that I got you guys in this my paper box for March. What do you think? What do you think? So we got one blank card, 2 postcards, one that's a birthday, one that's not. I got 3 pads of paper to doodle on. This one you can plan, this one you can make notes up, and this one you can send to somebody. And I do like using these notepads like this that have my name on it to put them inside of cards when I have winners or I send somebody something. I love writing a little something something and sticking it inside. And then there was the sticker. Don't forget, they always send that card that's going to go right there on my kaluli. And then there's two sheets of, put a sticker on it. So that was everything, you guys. That was everything that came in my box for March. Now, this is my paper box. It is a stationery subscription that is month to month. You can get, there is two. This one is the grand, and I don't know what the small one is, a mini. I believe it might be. I'll put all that information on the screen for you if you're interested. All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Now, it's not like this big, huge giveaway. So before I say see ya in my next giveaway or in my next video, it's just give me some ideas. Give me some ideas down there. You know what? The worst case scenario, I don't like any idea. Or let me take that back. Not that I don't like the idea. It's the make up your own day just didn't spark me. And if that's the case, then I'm not sending anything to anybody. That sounds really bad. So you guys get creative, and down in the comments section, you guys are going to make me a day. Here's what it's called. And don't forget to say March 26th, make up your own holiday day. All right, you guys. You take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Is it just me?